Wait, what if I tell you that there's a new feature that can put your content, I mean that content you're about to record right now, there's a new feature that can help you place it on 5 other channels. Like after creating your content, 5 other channels will showcase this particular content that you just created, and their subscribers can view it, subscribe to your channel through their channel. Guys, this feature is a game changer, and if you have not taken advantage of this particular feature, or you are not taking advantage of it, then you are missing out. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your world. This is Amgo's Concept, and I'm back with another beautiful information. If today is your first time tuning in, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so other people can get this amazing information. So now, with all that being said, let us dive straight into this video. See, I'm so excited about this feature, but let me calm down and explain to you so that you will understand why you need to take advantage of this particular feature, because this feature is not accessible to every creator. If you are eligible to use this particular feature, then you are good to go. This new feature is blowing up small channels. In fact, I've seen a lot of small creators come to testify that, oh, I tried out this new setting, this new feature, and I got more subscribers, I got more watch hours, I got more views on my content. So if you're a small creator, or you are even a big creator and you've been struggling to get views, subscribers, and watch time, YouTube just released these new features. You know, like they said, they're going to be releasing a lot of features this period, and they just released this one, and a lot of creators, even big creators, are doing this particular thing, and they are getting more views on their content. So what is this particular feature I'm talking about? It is the collaboration feature that YouTube just released. You know, before, when you want to collaborate with people, after creating your content, you just put their channel link on the description box. But now there's a way, an easier and a better way for you to collaborate with creators. And if they accept your collaboration invitation, your content will be out there on their channel. Their subscribers will get to see your content, and that will help you to get more views, more subscribers, and of course more watch time if you are yet to monetize. And even if you're monetized, this particular feature will help you get more revenue. This sounds interesting, right? So in this video, I am calling out to creators, small creators, big creators that are in my niche. And if you are not even in my niche and you want to collaborate with this amazing channel, you are welcome. All you need to do is send me a message, and I will do well to respond, and we will collaborate to boost or help ourselves in this YouTube journey. So before we go to the tutorial of how you can invite a collaborator, I also need you to note that this particular feature is not open, is not accessible to every single creator on YouTube. But if you have this particular feature on your YouTube, okay, like if you want to know if you have the feature, you just go to your YouTube your video, the video you already created. Either you're doing it on the desktop version or on the YouTube app, okay, click on it like you want to edit it. You will see all the features there. Then if you see this collaboration, if you see it, I don't know how it's written, but I'll put it on the screen. If you see it, it means that the feature is, you are eligible to use that feature. And if you are eligible to use this feature and you are not using it, then you are limiting your growth. Okay, I don't know if you have any other way you're growing your channel, but if you do, let me know in the comment section. But if you have this particular feature and you're not using it, then you are not ready for growth. Okay, so if this feature is accessible to you, why not go ahead and try it out? So with all that being said, let us dive straight to the tutorial of how you can invite a collaborator to collaborate with you on your channel. So add a collaborator, you can either use your YouTube Studio. This is my YouTube Studio, the app version. Okay, if you choose any video you want to add a collaborator to, okay, let me say for example I choose this particular video, and once I'm here, the next thing I need to do is to click on this pencil sign to edit the video. So once it opens like this, you just scroll down, you can see invite a collaborator. You go through this route, or if you don't want to go through this route, you can use the YouTube app. If you use the YouTube app, it is still the same thing. Let's go there so I can show you. The best way to create your content is through the YouTube Studio app, the desktop version. Yes, so once you are here, okay, and you have already uploaded your content, okay, if you are not creating the content, if it's not a content you are just creating immediately, okay, but if it is a new content you're creating, it is the same thing. So once you're here on your YouTube app, your YouTube Studio, you click on the third icon to open all your content. Then you choose that particular content you want to collab with. So I'll click this one. Now once it opens like this, I'll click on this pencil sign like this, so it will bring me all the editing. It will bring me to the editing place. So once this place opens, you click on show more and continue to scroll, okay, until you see collaborations. So this feature is not accessible to everybody, but if you have it here, so once it opens like this, you click on invite a collaborator. So it says grow your audience by collaborating with other creators and expand your videos reach to their audiences. Like I said, you can add up to 5 creators. That is what I watched in the video YouTube uploaded. So now if the interface opens like this, so look at all the things they are telling you. You are in control. Only you can make changes to the video. Expanded reach. We will help your video reach your collaborators' audiences. This is amazing. Then full ownership. You will keep all the revenue, views and watch time from the video. This means that all the videos, the watch time, the revenue, the subscribers you get from this particular video belongs to you, okay? So now that we're here, we'll go ahead and search for a channel that we want to collaborate with. For me, I'll use my channel, my other channel, for the purpose of this tutorial. So I'll click on the channel's name, Vibe with Sweetness. So I'll just scroll. So you see, so I'll click on this particular channel and then you click on create link. Once it is opened like this, I will copy the link. Then I can also share it on my WhatsApp distance, so I don't lose it. So now I will head over to Vibe with Sweetness channel to go and accept the invitation link. Then I will show you. My phone snapped the other time, which is why the link is showing twice here. So now this is the link. I'll click on it right now. Yeah. Let's allow it to load. So it's taking me to my studio. So now this is my channel right now. Collaboration request from Grace Amogo's Concept. So it's not showing me anything, probably because there's no video in this channel. So I'm going to try that out with another channel. I just want you to see how it looks. It doesn't have any video, so I think that was why I could not add. So I'm trying to use my friend's channel or my family channel that has videos. So we've already gone through this route before. So what I want to do here is to add the channel. So I'll click on it. So I'll create this link, okay? Copy. So I've copied the link now. Copy it again, okay? So now let me close this. Let me close it. So after switching to this channel now, I'll go to WhatsApp. I'll go to WhatsApp now to go and click on the link, the collaboration link. So it will bring me to my channel. Let's see, because these channels are small channels. They are not big channels, like, see. So now this particular channel has a video. I think that is why it opened. The other one is just short. I uploaded there. So once a collaborator accepts your collaboration, so let me accept. we had trouble saving your video. Try in 5 seconds. Okay. So it's still saying we have trouble saving your video, so I will later come back to this, but this is exactly how it is done. Okay, so I hope you're going to try this particular method out. So it is not hard, and once I accept this collaboration now, this particular video is going to appear on this channel that is not my main channel. So if you have other people collaborating with you and you're collaborating with other people, is a good way to announce your channel to other people and reach a wider audience on YouTube. So on this my channel, this is the only content I have uploaded on this channel, just this video. Okay, so now if I go to this my collaborations here, now you see that this video I just added now is showing on my channel. So the subscribers that I have on this particular channel can view this particular video. It will be visible to their subscribers. And if you are collaborating with people and you feel that, oh, I don't want to collaborate with this person again, or you want to withdraw from the collaboration, all you need to do is just click on it, click on this collaboration. When it opens like this, you click on this place. There's a place that you can withdraw the collaboration. That's what I'm looking for, so I can show you. So you see this place that is showing icon, that is showing human being icon and settings. So you click on it like this, you can see I'm collaborating with Grace Amugos Concepts, and it says manage all your collaboration. If I want to withdraw from this particular collaboration, if I just click on this withdraw, it means that YouTube is going to take me out of this collaboration. Okay, so when you collaborate with a particular channel, it doesn't mean that you are collaborating with them for life. So you can collaborate for 1 week or for 1 month or for as long as you wish. So this is how this collaboration stuff works. That is exactly how you can invite a collaborator to collaborate with you, and you can invite up to 5 channels to collaborate with you. So imagine having your content, after uploading your content, it is out there on 5 other channels. Guys, this feature is a game changer, so you need to take advantage of it. Okay, and you can invite me. Okay, I want to collaborate with people, and I want people to collaborate with me because I'm tired of this level. I want to increase, I want to leave this level. Okay, I hope you got value from this particular video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so other people can get this amazing information. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me to the end of this video. I will see you again in my next one.